What's good, YouTube? My name is Cody Thompson. Today I'm going to talk about 4 ways that you can improve your outfits. I hope everybody's having a good New Year's. I hope you guys are all achieving your goals that you set out for this year. Maybe one of your goals might be to, improve how you dress, take your appearance to the next level, and all that stuff. And today, I'm going to be the one to help you out with it. Alright, let's begin. So the first way that you can improve your outfit is wearing your shirts a size up. So if you normally go for the medium, this time go for the large when you buy a shirt. And buying your shirts in a size up, it'll be more roomy. The oversized look is super trendy right now, and you don't have to worry about it shrinking or anything along the lines of that. It looks great. It'll get you a bunch of compliments, and I really enjoy the look. I've been doing it for the past few months now, and it's really, really great. All right, so the second way to improve your outfit is by tucking your shirt in. So the first tip, wearing your shirt a size up, and the next tip, tucking your shirt in, go hand in hand. When you tuck your shirt in and it's a size up, it'll have this flowy effect. Let me show you right here. Twitter earlier this week, but let me go more in depth. So when you tuck your shirt in, it'll be more like the flowiness is there. Originally I just thought that tucking your shirt in was like an older person trend, but it looks hella good. I've been doing it since September. It'll get you a bunch of compliments. I know it's definitely gotten me a bunch of compliments. It'll be like different. It looks really good. It also looks really good with jackets, flannels, and stuff like that are open. And it looks really good. It's really simple and it looks great. Let's begin with the third way that you can improve your outfit. And that is by accessorizing. Right now I'm wearing a watch. I do have my nose pierced. I used to have my ears pierced, and I'm also wearing a hat. So accessories are the best way, easily, to just improve your outfit, take it to the next level, and stuff like that. And accessories also make your outfit more individualistic. It makes you define who you are. Beanies are really popular right now. Fisherman hats are really popular as well. I have this Disney hat that I wear a lot. Rings are a really good option as well. Unfortunately, I don't have any, but I do plan to get some. Bracelets are great too, if you have some. Amazon, you can get a bunch of them on Amazon for like less than $10, like a big assortment pack. You can get your ears pierced. And gold hoops are really popular right now. So the final way that you can improve your outfit is by how your socks look. If you have no-show socks in the winter, that does not look as good as it does in the summer. If you normally opt for no-show socks even in the winter time, I personally don't. I don't think it looks as good, and it makes your ankles hella cold, and I don't really want to deal with that. Switch to like some Nike white crew socks or some Nike black crew socks, depending on your outfit. If you're going for like the old schools, the white on the laces and the white on the side goes really well with white socks, especially if you're wearing it with black jeans and you cuff them up a little bit so that you can see the sock. This looks really good. This is an awesome aesthetic, and I recommend it for everyone. But if you are going for the all black look, I would obviously recommend all black socks, because if you're wearing white socks, this is gonna stand out, it's gonna look bad. So it does depend on how you do it. So this is my first video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Please leave feedback. That's probably the most important out of all those. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.